This is how I replaced the hose to my window wiper nozzles in my 2008 Subaru Outback. You're going to have to remove these clips that are holding the under the hood insulation. They have threads on those, and so you will have to rotate them back and forth or in full circles as you apply outward pressure in order to slowly wedge them out. You don't want to just rip them out and strip them, because then they won't hold your underhood insulation in place after you're done with the project. So slowly get under the cap, apply outward pressure as you rotate them back and forth or in full circles. There are multiple hoses here, all being split out by different Ys. The only hose that is really affected for my project is all the way to the right. The other ones are still good. I couldn't find the replacement hose in AutoZone, so I just went into Lowe's, found a plumbing aisle and found a clear line there that was the same 1/4 diameter, and decided to use that. I've read a few Subaru forums in where they spoke about using something like that, and figured I will give it a try. That worked really well. The clear line disappears once you put up the hood insulation. The project cost about $5 and took about 30-45 minutes to complete. All I needed were some needle nose pliers and a knife. My name is George. I'm a realtor in Athens, Georgia. If you need to buy or sell a home, visit my website at myresidencesold.com. Thank you guys.